Media calibration. In this tutorial, you will learn how to calibrate the printer for your media. If your printer exhibits feeding errors like stopping in the wrong location or feeding a blank label between printing labels, perform a media calibration to correct these conditions. Open the printer. Verify the media sensor is in the correct location for your media. Close the printer. Press and hold the feed button until the status indicator blinks off and on twice, then release. The product will slowly feed and measure several labels. When calibration finishes normally, the status indicator will show steady green.